ChatGPT's core functionality is built on a sophisticated neural network architecture. ChatGPT is a generative pre-trained transformer model, or GPT, that uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like text responses. At its core is a neural network architecture consisting of multiple layers that process language in sequence. This architecture enables the model to understand context and generate coherent responses. ChatGPT works by predicting the next most likely word in a sequence, based on patterns it learned from vast amounts of training data. For example, given the input, "the weather today is," the model might predict sunny with high probability. ChatGPT employs natural language processing techniques. Tokenization breaks down text into smaller units like words or subwords. Pre-training involves training the model on massive datasets of text from books, articles, and websites. In tokenization, text is split into tokens. For example, ChatGPT understands language might be broken down into tokens like ChatGPT understands and language. Each token is assigned a numeric ID for the model to process. Once tokenized, the model processes these tokens to understand and generate text, including making edits and improvements to maintain coherence. When you input a prompt like, "Explain how solar panels work," ChatGPT interprets this prompt and generates a response based on patterns learned from training data, understanding of the context and intent, and relationships between relevant concepts. ChatGPT also considers safety and appropriateness of responses, using guidelines about what content is acceptable to generate. The model can also perform unconditional generation, creating text without specific prompts. This enables it to write stories, poems, or essays based solely on patterns it learned during training, such as starting a sci-fi narrative with "Once Upon a Time in a Distant Galaxy." OpenAI has continually improved ChatGPT with new models such as O3 and O4 Mini, designed for longer reasoning periods. On April 30th, 2025, GPT-4 was fully replaced by GPT-4o, which offers enhanced writing, coding, and STEM capabilities. The GPT-4o model shows significant improvements over GPT-4 in areas such as performance, latency, multimodal capabilities, and resource efficiency. These core functionalities and continuous improvements allow ChatGPT to provide increasingly sophisticated and helpful responses to a wide range of user prompts. Let's explore ChatGPT's training process, refinement methods, and real-world applications. ChatGPT's training process involves more than just feeding it data. After initial pre-training on vast text corpora, human trainers play a crucial role by providing conversations and ranking responses to refine the model. A key method in refining ChatGPT is reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. This process trains the model to follow human instructions and preferences more accurately by comparing and ranking its outputs. ChatGPT is being used across various industries. In customer service, companies like ShopEase have integrated ChatGPT to automate responses, handle inquiries, and provide recommendations. This has led to reduced response times and improved customer satisfaction. E-commerce stores are using ChatGPT for personalized product recommendations and optimizing search results. Online retailers have implemented it to understand complex user queries, enhance the tone of customer support, and provide detailed product information to shoppers. In the legal industry, ChatGPT is being utilized for analyzing legal documents and searching case law. Content creators are using it to generate blog topics, website copy, video scripts, and product descriptions, streamlining their creative process. In education, ChatGPT is revolutionizing learning with personalized experiences. It helps with language translation, provides feedback on assignments, and generates study materials, making education more accessible and tailored to individual needs. ChatGPT's growth has been remarkable. OpenAI aims to reach 1 billion users by the end of 2025. With 10 million paying subscribers already, revenue is forecasted to reach $4 billion by year's end. Monthly visits continue to increase as the platform expands its capabilities. ChatGPT continues to evolve with a focus on ethical improvements. Enhanced bias detection mechanisms help ensure fair outputs, while improved transparency in source attribution builds trust. These ethical advancements are crucial as ChatGPT becomes more integrated into various aspects of daily life and business.